Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give a quick PSA that I will be doing a segment on this channel called What Grinds My Gears, something like that. I'm not sure what it's going to be called yet, but it's going to be a place where you come on and you talk about things that bug you and bothers you, or me, mainly me. That's what it's going to be. Things that bother me, I will be talking about here. Like more of a kind of venting, sometimes ranting. If there's something that is really bugging me, I want to do a little segment on here, and maybe it can be called What Bothers Me, What Grinds My Gears, What Pisses Me Off, things like that. Because though I'm very positive, there's times when things really bug me and I really want to say them, and I don't. And so it would be nice to just come here and say it. It's a place where we talk about like pet peeves, and in Guyana you say kino. You know what's my kino? I can't stand when someone does blah 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 blah. Or I think kino is mostly associated with food. But anyways, these words you might hear: kina, pet peeves, bugs, bothers, grinds my gears. So a very long time ago I used to watch Family Guy, and Family Guy had this segment called Peter, I think it was. Peter on Family Guy had a segment on the show where he would talk but grinds my gears, and I always found it very funny, and I was like, that's pretty cool. And so since this is a year for me to do the things I want to do, it was something I always wanted to do. So I figure, hey, I could do this here. You could tell me if it's a yay or nay, but regardless of what you say, I'm still gonna do it. But I mean, you could tell me your pet peeves and we could talk about it. Yes, I think I should just let you know I'll be doing that. So don't be surprised when you realize it's not just positive Kanemo, because we're not all positive all the time. Sometimes, human beings, that's what we are. And I aim to be positive and cheery and upbeat, but there are things that really grinds my gears, or there are things that really bugs me. So it's not going to be a long segment. It's just going to be like 2 minutes where I get it all out. Under 2 minutes if I could. I'm a talker, so let's just shoot for 2 to 3 minutes, no more than that. Venting, ranting, confessions. I can confess about certain things that this has been gnawing away at me. But yes, that's all I wanted to say today. Have a blessed day. Until next time, I'm Kanemo. Bye.